Hi, it's Eben Pagan. Here's where you get your copy of my new book, Opportunity. Just start with your name and email and then tell me where to send this to you. And I'm excited for you to learn what's inside this book and to use it to find and create a lot more opportunity in your work, in your business, with money, and in your life. This book right here, it summarizes everything that I've learned about how to succeed in life. Again, in business, with money, with work, and in all domains. And I've realized that much of success really comes down to your relationship with opportunity. Now, I didn't have the benefit of a business education growing up, and I didn't have a family or friends who were successful, so I had to go and figure it out for myself. I tried lots of different business ideas, most of which didn't work out, but because I kept persevering, I eventually figured out the formula for success in business. And once I did, I just kept doing it. Okay, and I've been very fortunate now to have started many businesses that reached the $1 million in sales level, several of them doing a lot more. In the process, I've had some amazing opportunities to meet and interview and get to know some of the icons, some of my idols of success. I've now been featured in books myself and asked to teach around the world. A few years ago, I had a major realization. I was thinking about the hundreds of successful entrepreneurs and millionaires and even billionaires that I've known and interviewed. And I realized that they all had something in common that I just hadn't noticed before. And I realized that it was the key common denominator. And the insight was that these self-made success stories were great at finding and creating opportunity. And the more I thought about this, the more I couldn't stop thinking about it. Somehow it made everything make sense to me. Successful people are better at finding and creating opportunity and better at making decisions about which opportunities to bet on. That's the difference. If you look around at the successful people that you know, okay, the ones who are consistently successful in business or investing or with money in their financial lives, those who win not only in the short run, but also in the long run, you will see what I'm talking about. They are constantly finding and creating great opportunities and then choosing the best ones to place their bets on and to work on. And this is a universal truth, okay? It's like a law of success. You have to be good at discovering and developing opportunities. Now, in my own work and my own life, I have designed and collected a set of powerful tools for discovering and developing opportunity in these key areas that I've mentioned of business and money and investments, but also in other areas of my life as well. Now, I've been very fortunate because I have successful businesses, and this affords me a lifestyle where my wife and I, we travel most of the year. We go and spend time in cities all around the world where I can work, where I can meet people, and where I can learn from cultures. And when I had the insight, when I realized how important opportunity was to success, I just started writing down all of the different tools and techniques and strategies that I had learned for finding and creating great opportunities. Okay, I wanted to see what I had. And pretty quickly, I had dozens of pages. And in the process of my initial work around this, I discovered that researchers have also been studying opportunity lately. It's actually become a science, okay, without any of us realizing it. Then I started asking my friends, okay, who are great entrepreneurs about the topic, and I realized that no one in my circle had taken on studying opportunity as a subject all by itself, to learn its nature, how it works and how it changes over time, and to find the universal patterns of opportunity in all domains. And I realized that the opportunity was to study opportunity itself. And it quickly became clear that I needed to put these ideas into a book. And after now over a year of hard work on it, I've got something that I'm proud to share with you. Okay, and again, the book is called Opportunity. And finally, in one place, you have a resource, okay, that shows you what opportunity is, shows you how it works, shows you how it's changing, and it shows you how to get more of it in your life. Now, I've spent thousands of hours studying entrepreneurs and really studying opportunity now, and hundreds of hours writing about it in this book. I have organized what I believe to be the art, the science, and the psychology of opportunity, including my favorite domains of opportunity, all through business and investing and life. And I've carefully condensed it and boiled it down into this book that you can read now in just a handful of hours, okay? And if you're interested in getting and creating more opportunity and building your life so that more and more of it comes to you, then start here. Okay, this will open a lot of doorways for you and get you on the path to more opportunity. Okay, so let's talk about what's inside the book. First of all, there's an explosion of opportunity all around the world right now. As I talk to my friends who are entrepreneurs, we are all astonished at all the opportunities that are coming over the horizon seemingly from everywhere. Okay, and this is all fueled by the rise of technology and the internet. And specifically in the areas I work in, okay, of things like online education and entrepreneurship training and digital products and coaching, these are exploding right now. People around the world they're really realizing, they're getting how important it is to get cutting edge knowledge and high quality education. But this is just the tip of the iceberg, okay? Because look at what's happening with things like the blockchain and cryptocurrency, and look at technology startups, and look at the social media world. I mean, who would have thought that millions of people would be taking classes and courses online from teachers that you've never heard of? Or that something like social media marketing consultant would even be a thing, you know, or that people are becoming e-sports stars, okay? And that this is like a viable career now. What's particularly interesting to me is the rise of the virtual industries. Okay, I started my first virtual company online in 2001. I grew it to over 70 people and tens of millions of dollars a year in sales. And this was back before anyone even worked virtually. Now, most of my friends, they all have virtual businesses and they work from home, which is amazing. But the other side of the coin is that things are changing much faster, okay? And it's only going to accelerate. Change is only going to accelerate from here on out. The wave of change that's coming over the horizon in the next few years is unlike anything that we have ever seen as a society or a culture. On the one hand, it's going to create a boom of opportunity. But on the other hand, many people that I talk to feel like they don't have access to all the opportunity that I'm seeing and that I'm talking about here. And inside this book, inside of Opportunity, my goal is to give you the mindsets and the tools and the mental models to not only see the opportunity, but also to create more of it and to take advantage of it and create the life that you want. I want to help you create opportunities that are right for you, for your personality and for your lifestyle. And the key here is the mindset shift that this book is going to install. Okay, it's like a new lens, okay? It's like a new pair of glasses. It clarifies and it helps you see the opportunities that are emerging all around us. And once you have this new mindset installed that you're going to get from this book, you literally start seeing opportunities all around you. It lights up a part of your brain, okay? It's like, you know, when you're thinking about buying a new car and then suddenly you start seeing them all around? Well, that's what this book is going to do for you with Opportunity. So that's where this book comes in. And inside, you're going to learn what opportunity is, how it works, and how to find it. You're going to learn how to overcome what I call opportunity shock and avoid the paralysis that comes with having too many options. You're going to learn about how your emotional state influences your ability to take advantage of opportunities, and then how to optimize your emotional state to attract and then capitalize on opportunities across different domains of your life. You're going to learn how to overcome the fear of failure so you can get more of what you want in your life. You're going to learn what mental models are and how to use them for estimating the value of an opportunity, plus how to compare opportunities to each other, and then choose those opportunities which are most likely to bring you success and fulfillment. You'll learn how to find more opportunities in business, in money, with investing, with health, in your emotional life, with your relationships, and in your own personal development and actualization. You'll learn why collaborating with others, it actually multiplies your power to find and develop opportunities. You'll learn how to become an innovator and a thought leader in order to even help others discover their biggest opportunities and even create businesses around it. And finally, you'll learn the way to discover your greatest personal opportunity in life. That's in the last chapter. I've designed this book to help you design and create what I call a future-proof life, where you become more and more confident in the future that's emerging because you're using your talents to create value for other people in a unique way. And during our launch, I'm going to buy you a copy of this book and I'm going to send it to you as a gift, okay? You just cover the shipping and handling. And I'm also offering 3 great bonuses that you get along with it. Okay, the first bonus you get is my How to Find Your Big Idea video series. So you're going to get 5 videos that are going to walk you through a series of steps to identify your own big idea and then turn it into a product or service and then design a business around it. Okay, this is a very valuable video series and it's going to walk you through the steps to find your big idea. And as soon as you order your book, you're going to get it. The second thing is you're going to get a live class with me called The Best Opportunities of 2018. It's important to be up to speed on what the best opportunities are. And in this live class, I'll walk you through what I consider to be the best opportunities right now. And finally, you're gonna get a bonus download kit with implementation tools and checklists and summaries and some bonus chapters. And you're gonna get all of this stuff to help you implement and take action on what you learn inside of the book. I'm also gonna give you a couple of surprise bonuses. The total value of this package is $197, but it's all yours right now when you claim your copy of Opportunity right now. And again, this book is a gift from me. You just pay the shipping and handling. It's a small charge of $697 if you're in the USA. If you're not in the USA, it's a little bit more, but it's still a great deal. As soon as you register, you'll have the option to join me for a couple of special business classes and also get additional discounts on my other courses if you want to really create more opportunity in your life. By the way, I just showed this book to a major publisher a few days ago as I record this, and within hours, I was offered a book deal for it. I was planning to self-publish it, but now it looks like I'm also going to be publishing it internationally, which is super cool. But before I do that, I'm launching it myself, and I'd like to send you a copy. Okay, you just cover the shipping and handling. Opportunity, it's easy to read, it's easy to understand, it's easy to use. After your first 20 minutes or so with it, you will get it and you will be hooked. But most importantly, what you learn will change the way that you see things and you won't be able to go back. Now, I'm fascinated with what you might call quality of knowledge. Some knowledge is a lot more valuable than other knowledge, and some books are a lot more valuable than others. I wrote this book over the past year and just kept tweaking and tuning it until it was super condensed and super easy to understand. This is the highest quality book that I think you're going to read this year. There's more knowledge per page than anything I know of, and it contains an idea that will actually change your life. Once you've read this book, you will look at the world differently. You'll start seeing opportunity everywhere and across your entire life. Again, get your copy right here. Just enter your name and email to get started, and then tell me where to ship your book on the next page, and I will see you inside.